Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Today I will be reading to you Act 1, Scene 3 from Divided Loyalties, Stand Up and Speak Out, The Barton Family During the American Revolution, written by Gare Thompson and illustrated by Barbara Kewok, published by the National Geographic Society. Scene 3. Outside the Barton's store. Narrator. It seems that there is no time left for debate. Everyone has chosen sides. In New Jersey, people have been swearing allegiance to the independence movement by taking loyalty oaths. The situation is growing tense and even dangerous. Those who refuse to take the oath could be tarred and feathered. This means that hot, sticky tar is poured over them. Then feathers are thrown on to humiliate them further. If they don't die from the scorching tar, they are severely burned. As the scene opens, a crowd of patriots is approaching the Barton store. The crowd members want to take the law into their own hands. They want to judge and pass sentence on Robert Barton, a staunch loyalist. The crowd pushes into the store. Crowd member 1. Come with us, Mr. Barton. Your days of loyalty to Britain are now over. Robert. What do you want with me? Since when is loyalty to Britain considered a crime? Crowd member 2. You know why we're here. We have come to ask you a simple question. Are you loyal to the king, or do you support the patriot cause? My views and opinions are my own. I will not share them with the public. You have no power over me. Leave my shop this instant, or I'll send for the soldiers. Crowd member 2. I don't see any British soldiers here to protect you. Do you see any men? Crowd. No. Robert. I'm not going anywhere and I'm not giving in to an unruly mob. Crowd member 3. Yes, you are. We outnumber you, Mr. Barton, and you will tell us what we want to know. Robert. William, come here, please. Crowd member 4. So, Robert Barton, subject of Great Britain, how do you plead? Are you still loyal to the British Crown? Robert. I am. We have only one ruler here, and it is King George III. Crowd member 4. He's guilty as charged. Crowd. Tar and feather the traitor. Tar and feathers for him. Get that tar good and hot. William. Leave my father alone. He's a good man. He has paid his taxes and given most of you credit in his store. He has stood by you in hard times. Leave him alone, or I'll be forced to use this gun. Shopkeeper number 1. Stop it now. This is not the answer. Look, I am a patriot. All of you know that. I want us to be independent, but attacking Robert Barton will not solve our problems. Our issues are with Great Britain, not Robert Barton. We have no reason to quarrel with this man. Shopkeeper number 2. He's right. Attacking our neighbors won't win you any support. Mr. Barton has always been a good friend to us all. Stop and think about what you're doing. Leave him alone. Crowd member 5. But he is with Britain, not with us. Shopkeeper 1. This is not a fair trial. This is an unruly mob. We are fighting for freedom and independence. In the name of freedom, let him go. Crowd member 5. You may have escaped this time, Barton, but your days in Burlington are numbered. Robert. Let's go home now, but first, I think we better board up the store. Thank you, friends, and thank you, William, for standing up for me. That was very brave. William. No matter what sympathies I feel for the Patriots, I will always defend my family. I hope you know that, Father. I was really frightened, though. Ben. I was frightened too. I thought they were going to hurt you, Father. Abigail. Oh, Father, what are we to do? It seems as if the whole town is against us. Robert. We will carry on the best we can. We will get through this. Don't worry. That crowd of men was frightening, but there are others in this town who are on our side. William, give me a hand with these boards. We need to cover up the windows. Ben, I'll get the hammer and nails. Abigail, I'll try to find Mother. William, Father, these men are serious. Don't you think you should begin supporting the patriot cause? Robert, never. A mob of angry rebels trying to threaten me has only made my belief stronger. I will not let a bunch of bullies tell me what I can and can't believe. William, but your life may be in danger. And what if no one decides to shop in our store anymore? Robert, if that is the way it has to be, then so be it. I would sooner live on the street than go against what I think is right.